Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you the FAS server installation and the configuration. Before that, let me tell you how many server I have deployed for this setup. The first one is AD and SQL, then ADCS server. So total 3 role I have installed on the first server. So this is the first server. The second server, so this is delivery controller as well as a virtual desktop agent. The third server is Citrix storefront server. The fourth one, Citrix FAS server 1 and FAS server 2. So total we have 5 server. So just I will show you the studio. This is a studio. So I have created one delivery group with one desktop published. Okay, let me access the desktop first before installing that FAS server. Just log in. So I have one server desktop access. Let me access it. So I can access the VDI like a server desktop. Okay, just log off. Yeah, just go to FAS server 1. So we are going to install the FAS server role on this server. Just open the console. Also, this is one more server. Just open it. We just install federated authentication service, that is a FAS. So just go to ADCS server. So under certificate template, just right click, go to manage. So here once we configured this FAS server, we will get a 3 template here. Citrix smart card logon certificate and certificate authority authorization and authorization manual authorization. Total 3 certificate template we used to get it here. So after that we need to do some modification on the template. Okay, just go to FAS server, just accept the license agreement, just install it. Install. And go to second server, just accept the license agreement. So installation has been completed. Now click finish. Just check in other server as well, just click finish. Okay, just open FAS console here. So this is the initial setup for the FAS configuration. So first what you need to do, you need to deploy the certificate into ADCS server. Okay, so we are going to deploy these 3 certificate into ADCS server in the Active Directory. Click OK. So set up a certificate authority, click publish. So this is our ADCS server. So we are going to publish these three certificate on ADCS as well. Click OK. So we need to authorize now. So this is the ADCS server. So once you click OK, so we need to authorize from ADCS server. So just go to ADCS server. So go to pending request. So here you can see, right? So this request came from FAS Server 1. So right click, all task, then issue. Go to FAS Server 1. So it will take some time to get authorized. So now only we issued the certificate, right? So still it's loading. Okay, now we need to create a rule. Okay, create the default rule. I'm going with the default. Okay, click next. So enable Citrix Smart Logon recommended. Okay, click next. So this is our CS certificate server. Okay, click next. Click next. So here you need to add your storefront server. So just remove the domain computer here. Just add storefront server. CTX SF. So location, object type. Okay, click OK. So click apply. Okay. So manage user permission, by default it will be applicable to domain user. Just cancel it. VDA also just mention it domain computers. For our case we are going to remove this one. So just add our VDA name is CTX DC. Object type, select computer here, click OK. So this is our VDA. So if we have any group for the VDA, you just add, otherwise you can leave it domain computer also, nothing will happen. So click apply, click OK. So click next. So this is a summary. So rule name is default, template is Citrix Smart Logon, certificate authority server is AD-SQL. Okay, click create. So it's created now. So all okay for the FAS Server 1. Just go to FAS Server 2, click deploy, publish, authorize, go to ADCS server. So you got the request from FAS Server 2. Just issue the certificate. Okay, create rule. The same rule we are going to create here also. Just remove domain computer, add our storefront server. Just add our CTX-DC VDA computer name. Okay. So click next. So create. So now we install the FAS server and then we configure the basic setting. So now what we need to do, you just go to ADCS server. So we need to configure the GPU for that. So this is a domain controller GPU file path. Just go to one of the FAS server. From there you need to copy the ADMX file, CTX-FAS1C. Sorry, program files. Citrix policy definition. Just copy these two files, put it here, then copy under US folder to file, paste it here. So just open a group policy management console. So create one policy FAS. Click OK. So right click, edit. So just enable this one. Enable. So add our FAS server details here. Citrix FAS1.citrixgsr.com. So add one more FAS server here, FAS2. So click OK. Apply. So Federation Authentication Service is enabled. Okay, click OK. Now link the policy. Okay, it's already linked. So here you can see FAS policy linked to domain. Suppose if you want to link this policy to any specific OU, first you need to create the OU and then you can apply the GPO to the respective OU where you have where you are having your VDA. But this is for testing, so I'm applying this FAS policy to the entire domain. Okay. So the next step, just open ADCS server, right click, manage. Okay, now you can see three certificate template which is created by FAS server. So Citrix registration authority, just click properties, go to security, okay, just remove domain computer, add our only FAS server, FAS1. Click enroll, read and enroll. Then one more, add one more server, Citrix FAS2. Okay, click apply. Then Citrix registration authority manual authorization, go to security, just remove domain computers, add FAS server, Citrix FAS1, click enroll, add one more server, Citrix FAS2, FAS2 server, click enroll also, apply. Okay, now go to Citrix Smart Card logon, go to security, so click OK, apply. Okay, now that the basic configuration is done, so now we need to integrate FAS server with the storefront. Just go to storefront server, so this PowerShell command we need to execute. So here we need to mention our Citrix storefront server store name here. So here our store name is store only, so I'm not going to change anything in the script. Okay, just copy this command. Now we need to execute this PowerShell command. Just open the PowerShell. So and then run the second PowerShell command. If you are not executing this command, then FAS server will not work for your storefront. Execute. So and then this one. Okay, now the last one. So now all okay in the storefront for the FAS server integration with the storefront. Now go to delivery controller. You need to enable the XML trust. Okay, just go to PowerShell and then we need to run this command. So now it's in false state, so we need to make it true. Okay, now we have enabled this one, the delivery controller. So what we can do now, we can create one new user and then we'll try to access the Citrix desktop. Okay, right click, click next, finish. So now go to storefront page. Let me check whether we assign the server desktop to the domain user. Yes. Now launch a desktop. So now you can see the difference. Before it was loading by using the user ID, but now this authentication is happening and FAS server is providing the certificate for the logon. That's why it's not showing the username here. Also, we can go to the FAS server and then we'll see that logs in the event. So now here you can see, right, access logon CSP Kumar user, you can see the logs. So it seems this FAS server is providing the certificate to the user while logging to the storefront server. Okay, so for the testing, so what I will do, I will disable, first I will log up the user session. So I will show you because you want to know, right, whether this FAS server is working or not. So what I will do, I will enable the maintenance mode for both the storefront, sorry, FAS server, and then we'll try to access, we'll see. Okay, just log off. So you are getting cannot start. It seems the authentication and the certificate providing is not happening from the FAS server because both the FAS server is the maintenance mode. Just log off. Okay, enable one of the FAS server. Okay, now go to storefront page. Okay, now it's launching. So our FAS server is working fine now. In next video, I will show you how to upgrade the FAS server. Thank you.